Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy promised to live you up, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
Hey guys, hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a day in my life. Actually, I'm going to be traveling to Seattle like this morning, so if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by, clicking this video and wanting to learn or watch what this video is about. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking my video and watching it again. I absolutely appreciate the support and the way you guys you guys have a soft spot in my heart. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a day in my life. It's nothing too serious, but I'll be going to Seattle today for work. My teams and orgs all hands. I'm exhausted and I know that I just woke up. On gotta do what we gotta do. So before we get started, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Adobe Okonkwo Bakporo. I'm a Nigerian content creator who makes videos about productivity, building a career, living my best life, and just all things me. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do, give me a thumbs up, like this video, and if you want to see more, consider subscribing and turning on the post notifications so you don't miss out on future uploads from me. So we're going to get started. My flight is at 8:40. We start boarding at 7:40 actually. So thankfully I'm not checking in any bag. Yay. I made sure to just pack a carry-on. So I'm going to take my carry-on bag. I already packed everything. I haven't packed my toiletries first, though, because obviously I'm going to use it, but that is basically it. My husband's going to be dropping me off at the airport. So tired. Yeah, let's get started. I'm going to shower, brush my teeth, and do everything before I wake him up. So he can shower. He's a guy, he just showers, dress up, and then we start driving to the airport. The airport is like 1 hour drive, maybe 50 minutes max, but almost 1 hour. So definitely have to plan 1 hour ahead. Let's get dressed, or let's get prepared.
It's the same old story. Nothing in life's for free. I've been living in the dark too long, but I see the light now. Think I could make it out. Don't tell me that I'm wrong.
This is the finished outfit, and I'm just gonna pack my hair. Once I get on the flight, I'm gonna let it down so I can rest my head properly. I'm just wearing this dress from Shein and then a cover-up cardigan just to keep myself warm because I usually get cold once the flight starts going. I'm also going to wear a flat slippers. That's what I'm going to be wearing. Yeah, I think I'm packed. That's why I can't do a last-minute flight planning. Basically, packing your stuff the morning of, I just cannot, because I'm sure that I'm going to forget something. But yeah, even with this one that I packed 2 days before, I'm sure I'll still forget something. But yay! I need my eye drop. I think I packed it already. What did I tell you? I knew I was going to forget something. I forgot my ID card. There's no way I'm getting into that building without an ID. So
You take me to places I've never been. You do things that make me a better man. And bus stops that turn into hours spent rambling on. One look and you got the best of me. 4 feet take us where we wanna be. 3 words that would be the death of me. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight. The drinks turn off, the filter right.
I want to make sure that you guys will be able to fit into my bag, so let's do that.
Obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend.
I'm about to head off to the airport. I'll see you guys when I get there.
I'm falling before I go again. Falling, I'm falling before I go again. We touch talk late at night like we're Letterman. We're deeper right now than I've ever been. Overthinking this would be irrelevant. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight with drinks turned off, the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane.
Hey guys, so I just arrived at the hotel. Yeah, too bright, too bright, too bright.
Nights like these ones, I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again.
Dollar is 9.75. Jesus is Lord.
I'm falling before I go again. I'm falling before I go again.
Two of my colleagues were working on a video for our Give month. So Give is our company-wide volunteering month, which is October, where employees are encouraged to give. So in terms of fundraisers, volunteering, leadership would also do like some matching as well. I'm so exhausted. I have so much to do before going to bed today. I already picked out the clothes I'm going to wear today, so I need to iron it or at least bring it out and make sure that it hasn't rumpled, and then I'm going to shower and or maybe sleep, wake up and take a shower because I'm so exhausted. I have to finish this before going to bed. I'll see you guys. Bye. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, and I'm in Seattle. And guys, you guys have actually, let me set you guys. I don't know how I'm feeling right now. I'm just gonna make the video a continuation. So this is the next day, Tuesday, and I'm in Seattle for work. Today we have the beans just got done. I feel like it's about to spoil, but I'm gonna see if I can salvage a little bit of it because I really liked the beans I made. I have today, this whole week is just going to be brutal, like meetings back to back, and I'm not looking forward to them because at this point I'm just, to be honest, burnt out and just exhausted. I just need a break. I just need like 3 days, and unfortunately I can't have that now. I'm scheduled to be out of office end of October, so the last 3 days in October I'll be out. I'm just gonna take that time to reset for my E2, but I'm just like at the point where I'm just exhausted, right? And I know I need a mental break. The good side, I volunteered to do a short video for one of my company's events, so I'm so excited about that one. I sent the script, which was something I was trying to remember. I knew I had something that I woke up early to do, so I would be shooting that tomorrow in the afternoon at the office. We already discussed like the content, the scenes and all of that, and we just distributed the work such that we can go and like start gathering data and information. So I need to complete my session this morning before I leave. I can also do it at work, but I woke up super early this morning around 3 a.m. and I don't know, I feel like my body was just restarting because I usually wake up 5 a.m. ish to 6 a.m. CST time, but now that I'm PST time, PST is 2 hours behind, so maybe, I don't know, and I slept around 10 p.m. and I woke up 3 a.m. so I'm like sleep deprived. I don't know if you can see, my skin is just literally going through the worst right now. So I just feel like pulling out my hair. Alright, I know this video was just going in different directions. I'm going to be filming what I wear for work, like my work week wear, because I don't think I've done that one before. So I'm going to shoot that, and then I would be doing like just completing this video as one vlog instead of like having different vlogs. Maybe I will end this one today and then start a new one tomorrow, because tomorrow's one is going to be like a fresh start, you know. So looking forward to that. There are a couple of things I need to make note of, like things like getting consent from people who are going to be part of the video so we can promote the video after we're done shooting. Just a couple of things to look out for, and still like start brainstorming like ideas. Now for my actual project deliverable, like I don't know if I told you, but it got changed. To be honest, it has been stressing me out, you know, but fingers crossed, I'm going to get the hang of it. I'm going to push through this like discovery phase of it. I think it happens anytime you have like a new project that you're working on. So going to, before I forget, because my brain doesn't, it lacks retention whatsoever, so I'm going to go and make a note of the thing that I said I was going to do, and then do the research for my section of the video that I told you guys about. And then the only thing, though, I didn't bring my very big camera tripod. I wish I had brought it, but nothing spoiled. We'll go with the flow. I'm going to ask one of us, the three of us, we're actually three, if we have like any tripod, but if not, I can just set up the camera or just have it on my neck and stabilize it since I have a tripod, and just make sure that my hand doesn't shake and they like wrap up their sections real fast. So that's what I'm going to do. But right now I'm going to go and sit down. I'm actually going to do an intro for my work week wears, and then I'll sit down and then do my section for my script and do like the checklist of things that I need to get from people after we're done, so we can like start going in execution mode once the video is ready. Then for actual work, I need to duplicate a brief and then start gathering information for that and the website. So that's all I can share. Let's get started. I am actually going to brush my teeth first so I can be eating the beans while I'm working. I was going to try and sleep, but to be honest, when I'm worried like this or just stressing out about stuff, sleep is literally the last thing on my mind. And to be honest, my head is banging. I have like this terrible headache. Yeah.
Yeah, oh, it's been playing on my mind and my emotions now for far too long. Yeah, said we.
Okay, so all done. Let's go and try and get some work done, and then I'll have to start getting ready. I decided to wear makeup. I was not going to wear makeup, but can you see my skin? Yeah, this is just nasty. So I don't want people seeing me like this. At least I don't want people seeing me for the first time like this. And then the other side is like this. It is just, I'm sorry guys, but yeah, let's go and get some work done. Oh, actually I was gonna do an intro for my what I wear in a week for work, so I'm gonna do that, and then we'll go, and because it's even dark inside, so you guys won't be able to see anything. I'll try my best. Guys, good morning. Today is the next day. Today is actually Wednesday, and today is going to be busy back to back, but I'm pretty excited because today is the day that we're shooting our the video that I told you guys about. Remember the video that I told you guys about, where we would be sort of just like reiterating what give is, why we give, and what you can give. So I am so excited about it. I've just been mentally trying to calculate how we're going to film it in terms of logistics, like where we would film it such that we're still able to retain that like transition that we had discussed and stuff like that. So I am pretty excited, you know. So let's get started. I have to iron my clothes, the clothes I'm going to wear for the shoot and the rest of the day. So very early in the morning, 8 o'clock, I have a meeting with Afghans and Microsoft, where I volunteered to design some flyers and messaging and email templates. So I won't be able to do that this week because I am extremely busy this week. But next week, I'm going to carve out like maybe 30 minutes to start working on that. But I don't know why I keep volunteering to do all of these things when I'm so packed, like, and I'm so freaking busy. But yeah, and then in terms of my skin, like, it just keeps acting up. I was just so self-conscious about it yesterday because I wasn't wearing makeup, so I hope nobody thought maybe I had some disease or something. But yeah, I'm going to go and iron my clothes, make sure I pack up the stuff that I'm going to pack up. Today I am going to be wearing makeup because I'm filming.
are, and then I have to continue to think about where would be a perfect place to film. So we're going to have two people talking about, just pretending as if they are talking, and then somebody will ask what is give, and then one of the speakers will just walk past them and the camera will pan and then now finally land on their face talking about what give is. I'm just thinking about it. Okay, so let's go and iron my clothes. My piercing too. I've just been having a really bad week, to be honest. My big tripod that I would have preferred to use is, like, I left it at home because I didn't want to carry load. Now I'm just like, if I had that tripod, it would have just made this video shoot like super easy. So call me life without you, girl, just ain't enough. So won't you just love me like you used to love me? Or won't you just touch me like you used to touch me? No more biting on my tongue, I'll get it off my chest. It's easy on my lungs as they decompose. So won't you just love me like you used to love me? Love me. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Thursday. This is the technically last day of this work week, and technically last day in Seattle. Tomorrow I'm going to be flying out to Seattle, and I'm flying out in the morning. Oh my goodness, I am so tired. You guys have no idea. This stuff has drained me completely. I feel like I need sleep, even though I slept. So it's just crazy, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and have my shower today. Everything is starting like 8. We have like the breakfast with our CVP, so I really want to attend that one. I'm still trying to decide if I should wear a little bit of makeup. I think I will. And then this is my new nose jewelry. I mean, yesterday I did it. I didn't know how I felt about it because it was looking off. But Ronke, my friend, told me that I have to leave it on for at least a week before it like now starts fitting my face. But it looks good. Alright, so I think I'm just going to wear light makeup, just simple, and then lip gloss on my lips. It is almost 6 o'clock, so I have to start rushing this because I need to film my outfit of the day for you guys, which is the last outfit anyways. But I'm really excited about this one because the outfit is giving. So let me show you guys. When I come back tomorrow, I have to pack up my clothes, but it's this very cute Zara jacket with my new sneakers, shoes, and Zara trouser, and then the polo is from my sister. She sent it from Nigeria for the brand that she works for. So I'm so excited. Let's get started. So today is Friday morning. It is literally like 2 a.m. and I can't wait to go back home. I'm exhausted. I feel like this whole week was just packed with events, so I am just so ready to go home and get a good night's sleep, to be honest. So that's what I'm just like prepping and packing my stuff. I just showered. That's why my face is like super dry and stuff. And by the way, if you didn't notice, your girl got a new jewelry on her nose. Yay!